Multiplying algebraic terms, some extension. They've asked us to find a simplified expression for the area of this shape. Now our expression means it's going to be algebraic, and simplified means we're going to gather any like terms or do any multiplications that we need to make it as simple as it can be. Now this shape is two rectangles, and we've got a couple of choices of how to deal with this. I could say it's a big rectangle and someone has taken out a little rectangle. Or I could say it's this long rectangle plus this short small rectangle. Or I could say it's this rectangle plus that rectangle. So you can see there's actually a couple of different ways to chop this shape up so we can deal with it. Now we're finding the area. Remember, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So I'd look at this to see what's going to be easy, and look, I'm going to make this that way, but any of those options would have been fine. So I'm going to say, look, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, the area of rectangle 1, so by putting a little 1 down underneath the A, I'm saying this is area 1. Always use a formula if you've got it, length times width. Length and width are 2y and y, and they're multiplied together, so that's 2y times y, and of course that will be 2 times, well, there's a 1 there, so it's 2y times y is y squared. The area of the second rectangle. Now this length along here is 2y plus 5y, which is 7y. And the height of that rectangle there is 2y. Start with the formula again. Oops, that's an L. I got carried away. Length times width. So that was 7y times 2y, 14y squared. Now the area of the whole shape comprises or consists of those two shapes added together. So therefore, area equals area 1 plus area 2. We're saying what we're doing very carefully. Area 1 was 2y squared, area 2 plus 14y squared. So I've got 2 lots of y squared and 14 lots of y squared. They're like terms. That will be 16y squared. We can't make that any more simple. Now, they haven't told us whether this is meters or centimeters or what. But you know, if they did tell you, it'd be units squared. So you can actually put after that square units, just to say that you know we'd be in centimeters squared or millimeters squared or something like that. So your steps for solving these, remember that you're going to have to simplify, that you're writing an algebraic expression, and if they've asked for the area, use the area formulae. Identify the different shapes that are involved, and carefully find all the areas that you need, showing really nice working.